There was once a piece of me that begged to be held. It whimpered and ached. I listened as it cried, but I left it alone to die. If I ignore it, it will go away. This is how I justified the lack of love I felt inside. So I shook my head as tears ran down my face, because I couldn't find the strength to love this part of me that ached. And then, that night I watched the stars, the way they illuminated Venus and Mars. To them, I inquired where I belong, and the crickets answered in cosmic song. This world is in you, and yet you ask, as though you need be given a pass. The moon reveals truth in your eyes, if you are willing to look inside. And love yourself where there's pain, as love transcends this physical plane. You are as divine as we. The moon, the stars, the space between. Home is here. Can't you see? Oneness is in everything. You belong right here. There's no divide. Because home is the love you feel inside.